Good evening, Dean Davison, liveweatherblogs.com here with your Monday forecast coming up here on Sunday night. We're going to give you a look into the beginning of the work week here in the Mid-Atlantic states. Let's take first a look at the surface map as we see it tonight at 10:05 Sunday night. We have a cold front moving in from the west. That'll be marching its way east tomorrow, and that will set up some showers and thunderstorms, and they will become likely in the Roanoke Valley, anywhere in Kentucky, West Virginia, southern Ohio, parts of Tennessee, North Carolina, and Virginia. We have a good shot of showers and thunderstorms tomorrow. Yes, temperatures will stay cool, but the instability will be high, and we'll get into the probability of severe weather momentarily for this region. Looking at the satellite, you can see where the front is lined up. Also, a disturbance in around the Nebraska area. That disturbance is what's going to kick in to this front and will make the atmosphere more unstable and make the probability of thunderstorms actually higher in western parts of Virginia, West Virginia, and so forth. Places of Virginia we're looking at the probability of severe thunderstorms is Roanoke, Blacksburg. Go down to Bristol, Tennessee, Charleston, West Virginia, Louisville, Kentucky. These are all areas that will have a probability of severe weather tomorrow, and we'll go into the severe weather outlook momentarily. So stick with me for one more moment. As you also see, we have some thunderstorm development out in the Midwest and also down here near Oklahoma. Everything will track east, as you see, and we also have some thunderstorms that developed down in South Carolina. Looking at tomorrow's outlook, like I was showing you earlier, we have the threat of severe weather in not just in Kansas, Missouri, Arkansas, and Oklahoma, but also in the areas I was saying, Roanoke, Blacksburg, Bristol, Tennessee, out to Louisville, Kentucky, up to Cincinnati area, Indianapolis, Indiana. These are all areas that have a probability of severe weather. Now, the severe weather that we're talking about, as you see, let's take the probabilistic 15% is a pretty good shot of severe thunderstorms. We've been in the 15 percentile before and have gotten severe weather, which includes hail, high winds, and isolated tornadoes, which are all possible. Better shot of tornadoes obviously will be in the Midwest with better dynamics, but do not be surprised we do see an isolated tornado somewhere in this 15 percentile tomorrow. On Tuesday, this is all going to shift east. Now, there will be isolated probabilities of severe thunderstorms. This will include Philadelphia, Baltimore, Roanoke again, Richmond, Norfolk, Holden Beach, North Carolina, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, Raleigh, back out into Charleston, West Virginia, Pittsburgh, Harrisburg, New York City, all have an isolated shot of severe thunderstorms on Tuesday. It's going to be isolated. You're not going to be as concentrated as tomorrow will be when we get the thunderstorms develop in lines and segments and also some isolated supercells. This is going to be more or less a popcorn variety thunderstorm that we will have on Tuesday, and they won't be as severe, but you can't say that if you're under them severe thunderstorms and you get the damage and the power outages, well, then you know, severe weather. So there is isolated shot on Tuesday. Beyond that, Wednesday we have a chance of severe weather up in near Minneapolis, Des Moines, Iowa, Green Bay, Wisconsin, and it's all possibly shift day 5 and 6 further east. But right now we're looking at day 4. The shot of severe thunderstorms, which include isolated possibilities of tornadoes, like normal. The tropics are looking clear at this time, and nothing in the tropical Atlantic. And there's that disturbance we were looking at the other day has now moved into the Eastern Pacific, so it has a low probability, less than 30% at this point, to become a tropical system. But we'll keep an eye on it here at liveweatherblogs.com, and if anything develops, we will get on it and let you know about it. Now taking a look at your official weather forecast from the National Weather Service here on liveweatherblogs.com. Tonight, increasing clouds, 67 degrees. Tomorrow, thunderstorms are likely. Some will be severe, with a possibility of hail, high winds, with your main threats, and an isolated tornado anywhere in the western portions of Virginia where we're located. Also tomorrow night, 73 degrees. Thunderstorms will end gradually. Like I said, Tuesday, we're into the same kind of pattern. Isolated severe possibilities on Tuesday. 91 on Wednesday with the popcorn type variety, summer showers and thunderstorms. 90 on Thursday. you're sitting in the low 70s during the night, and as you say, going into Friday and beginning of next weekend, still looking like we're going to have an isolated shot of some thunderstorms and temperatures right around the 90-degree mark. So we need to be very careful and vigilant and stay with liveweatherblocks.com throughout tomorrow for the probability of severe weather in the middle Atlantic states. Like I said, what we're going to include is Roanoke, we're going to include Charleston, West Virginia, Bristol, Tennessee, Louisville, Kentucky, Cincinnati, Ohio. These are areas that we have to look out for the higher probability of severe weather. And then further east and further north, we have an isolated shot, and then again Tuesday. So stay with liveweatherblocks.com for the latest, and we'll definitely keep you updated. I'll be on tomorrow, and if things develop, you'll be seeing a lot more of these blogs during the day tomorrow from me. This is Dean Davison from liveweatherblocks.com. Hope everybody has a great evening, and enjoy the beginning of your work week again tomorrow. Have a great day.